Hello mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Actually for today's video, kasi kaya kami nandito sa Boracay kasi ang pamangkin ko si Marshall Dave Amoroso ay magbe-birthday. So pupunta kami sa buffet mamaya para i-surprise niya ng birthday doon. So see you, let's see guys.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dave. Blow ka na. Nag-blow ka na ba?
Birthday.
Happy birthday, Marshall Dave. Ano masasabi mo?
Hindi mo dito mo.